to her, y'all.
And here is our international C&D salon. My friend Hassan over here.
Alright, how are you?
Hey!
Good. Welcome on board. My name is Prasad. I'm all the way from India. I'm international hairdresser and barber on board. We're gonna do here, especially for ladies, we're gonna do wash and blow dry and haircut and coloring also. Especially gentlemen, we're gonna do men's grooming with the shave. That means we're gonna do nice. I'm not going to shave everything. We're gonna do nice cleaning up and everything, and with a nice kind of hot shower and cold shower. And we're gonna do, at the same time, we're gonna do nice facial also. At the same time, we're gonna do nice scalp massage and a hand massage also, including this treatment. If we book today and tomorrow also, we're gonna do offering free haircut for you.
How are you? I am fine.
Excited, ready for vacation.
Yes! Woo! Detroit.
Detroit, nice. Not bad.
All over. So just to introduce myself, my name is Megan. I'm all the way from England across the pond, so please don't laugh at my accent unless it's strong. I am your onboard skincare specialist, okay? I specialise in something called biotech. So before I introduce the biotech, have any of you ever had a facial before?
Yes.
Fantastic. What was your last facial?
Long time ago.
Okay, so you need to come and see me, right? So with biotech.
Relaxation lounge.
Relaxation lounge?
Yes.
Okay.
Relaxation lounge.
Very nice. Hello, how are you? Good, good.
Now we have a longer treatment here on the
Ocean wrap, okay? Have you ever done before?
No.
You're gonna love it. This is a seaweed. We are going to warm it. We are going to apply all over your body. After that, we are going to cook in your body like a burrito.
Oh, you gonna cook me, huh?
15 to 20 minutes. We are going to receive amazing shiatsu softness.
Photo video.
Yes, I'm doing. This is for my blog. I gotta talk
Okay,
about
not
it.
a problem. So I'm Dr. Z and I specialize in advanced facial rejuvenation. So what I do here on board, I do different types of treatments when it comes to the face, the jawline, the neck area, and also for the tummy. The first treatment is the thermage. It's a non-surgical facelift and a skin tightening treatment. And the results...
How are you?
Very good, very good. So welcome on board. My name is Boyang, your licensed acupuncturist and herbalist. So I've been doing this already over 8 years now. I'm specialized in pain, digestion, stress-related conditions. If you have any aches and pain, after my treatment, you will actually have some.
Thank you.
So how you all doing?
Wonderful. We're on cruising.
Amazing. I love the energy.
Yes.
You're on a Mardi Gras.
Yes.
Okay, have you heard about another term? Do you know what it is?
No.
Yes.
No? You
Love
know what
it.
God.
This is the salt therapy sauna, okay?
Oh.
Nice in there. It was very amazing. Yep.
These salts we get from Himalayan salt.
I love it. I love it.
It's beautiful. Like, I was sitting here just because it's pretty.
We have decided what we can do for the week straight.
Yes. Pretty. Oh my God.
Spread out all your body, increase your circulation, to stimulate your body.
So we're heading to our cabin. Heading to our cabin. Yes. We got a long way. Still a few rooms. Not there yet. Look at them, they ready. Right here. Here we go. Here we go.
See, like this one.
Let's see them cards though. We got one is going to be a what?
Platinum.
Platinum, and the other one is going to be a what?
A gold.
A gold, baby. Woohoo! Gold. Let me see that gold. Yes, yeah. All right. Let's get it. Thank you, doughboy. This is our room. Oh, it don't open on me. Oh, yay! Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is nice. So what you think, Boo Boo?
Everything coming together pretty well so far.
We're gonna get some food and then we're gonna do what? Turn up for what? That's my nephew, y'all. I love my Boo Boos. Yes, yeah.
Mardi Gras, Carnival. We do things out here. No, we do things out here.
How we do it?
Shout out to the 4'11".
Yes. Yes. Yes, Boo Boo. Listen, you see my nephew giving me a shout out, putting a plug in. Y'all better follow your girl. Bye. We're going to get some food and some drink. Holla.